Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Sign into your Google account on the web to confirm credentials, then update Chrome or the Google app. Once done, make sure your device is on a reliable network. Flaky connections cause partial sync. Back up bookmarks and contacts locally before proceeding, because the next steps reset sync state. You're doing this to force a fresh handshake between device and server, which removes corrupted metadata and resolves most persistent sync errors. Now you reset the sync state. First, turn off sync in Chrome or device settings and clear the app cache and storage to remove corrupted local data. Next, go to your Google account sync settings and pick Reset Sync, or fully disconnect the account and add it again. This forces a new token exchange. Then re-enable sync and let the client perform a complete initial upload and download. Watching network activity confirms items are transferring. This eliminates mismatched entries and token issues. Finish by verifying every data type has resynced: bookmarks, passwords, autofill, and extensions, so nothing was lost. If something didn't return, sign out, remove the account and test signing in on a fresh profile or different device to isolate device versus account issues. If errors persist, check system time and date, disable proxies or VPNs temporarily, and refresh two-step authentication app tokens. These are the common hidden causes. Fix them, and sync should restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.